Hey everyone, welcome to my channel tutorial lore. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up Solflare Wallet. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel tutorial lore. Let's go for how to set up Solflare Wallet. Select Create a new wallet. This option will guide you through the wallet creation process. During setup, you'll receive a 24-word recovery phrase. It's crucial to write this down and store it securely, as it's the only way to recover your wallet if you forget your password or lose access to your device. Now set a strong password. Choose a robust password to enhance the security of your wallet. Ensure it's unique and not easily guessable. Accessing your wallet, mobile. After setup, you can access your wallet directly through the app. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to set up Solflare Wallet. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you.